Welcome back to the coolest tech, where innovation, discovery, and the extraordinary converge. Explore the coolest gadgets and gear that will elevate your academic journey to a whole new level. From innovative laptops to sleek headphones and everything in between, we've got you covered with the latest and greatest tech essentials that will make this school year unforgettable. Remarkable 2. Here's something I wish I had back in the day, the Remarkable 2. As someone who's all about notebooks and handwritten notes, this digital notebook is a game changer. Unlike an iPad with its distracting apps and notifications, the Remarkable 2 lets you focus on note-taking without interruptions. You can sync your notes through Dropbox, even adding scanned textbook excerpts alongside your annotations. The recent addition of a built-in keyboard accessory fills the gap for those who prefer typing. Now, the Remarkable 2 feels like a complete productivity tool, perfect for serious note-taking, to-do lists, and distraction-free productivity. Native Union Clean Screen Spray. We've got some handy essentials here, like this Native Union microfiber cloth. It's perfect for keeping your devices clean. I even use it to wipe down my laptop when I'm out and about. The pouch that holds the solution doubles as a convenient way to store your devices, ensuring they stay sleek and spotless. It's a must-have for gadget neat freaks like me. Insta360. For those still navigating online classes, especially in college, the Insta360 Link is worth a look. Its remarkable quality shines, and you'll notice it's mounted on a gimbal, an indicator of its tracking capability. This smart device ensures you're consistently in the center of your shot, enhancing your virtual class experience. The Insta360 Link caters to both Mac and PC users, making it a valuable tool for seamless online learning. Soupy 100 watts. Introducing this innovative long-braided cables featuring an OLED screen, designed to keep you informed about your device's charging speed. If you've ever faced the uncertainty of whether your device is charging or not, these cables are a game changer. No more leaving your device plugged in only to find it still dead later. The OLED screen displays the wattage flowing to your device, providing real-time feedback on its charging status. A glance at the screen tells you if your device is charging or if there's an issue, making these cables an incredibly practical and handy solution. Tech Pouch. This little gadget is like a superhero for your tech stuff. It's basically a pouch that you can use to keep all your important tech accessories and cables in one place. You know those times when you're scrambling to find a cable for a charger? Well, this pouch solves that problem. You can use it to store things like external hard drives, cables, microfiber cloths, and all those little gadgets you want to have on hand. It's like your own little tech toolkit that fits right in your bag. Just keep in mind, depending on the size of your backpack, it might be on the bulky side. But if you're looking for a neat way to keep your tech organized, this pouch could be a great investment. MagSafe Charger. If you're a die-hard Apple user, here's another option to consider. Check out this one from Momax. It packs a 10,000 mAh battery, not too shabby. Now the bigger version is a whopping 24,000, which is seriously impressive. But let's focus on the 10,000 mAh. This one is tailor-made for Apple devices. Up top, you've got a built-in MagSafe charger. That's some next-level convenience. And wait, there's more. It's got a spot to juice up your Apple Watch too, all integrated. And hey, for the full Apple experience, there's even a section to charge your AirPods. If you've got the wireless charging case version, you're in luck. You can potentially juice up all three of your Apple devices at once. Plus, it's got a handy USB-C port for some fast charging action. Now, I won't lie, this one isn't cheap. It's around $200. But let me tell you, it's not just about the price tag. This thing is a serious multitasker, and it's built with premium quality in mind. It's got that metallic feel, giving it a high-end vibe, and the quality? It's absolutely there. So, if you're all about flexibility and high-end functionality, this one might be worth the investment. Anker 737. Meet the Anker 737 Power Bank, a seriously cool addition to your tech arsenal. Picture this, a power bank with its own built-in screen. That's right, it's got one. With a quick tap, you get all the details you need, how your devices are charging, their speed, and remaining battery life. It's a dream for tech enthusiasts craving ultimate charging intel. Plus, there are two USB-C ports and a trusty old USB Type-A port at the top. While more ports could have been a bonus, this power bank doesn't disappoint. It can even charge laptops up to 140 watts, making it more than just a pretty face. It's a premium choice that blends style with serious charging prowess. Sony WF-1000X-M4. Let's talk about a subtle favorite, the Sony WF-1000X-M4 earbuds. Now, if you remember, the earlier Link Buds had a donut-like design that didn't quite jive with everyone, with that odd hole and all. But the WF-1000X-M4s? They changed the game. If you're all about Sony earbuds but not so keen on shelling out for their top-tier WH series, these could be your jam. Priced around $200, though you might snag a deal since Sony sales are a regular thing. These buds fly a bit under the radar but pack a punch. So if you're looking to step away from the Apple or Beats branding, these are solid choices that lots of folks seem to have. Omen 16. Let's dive into some back-to-school essentials. Meet the Omen 16 gaming laptop, powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 processor. It's the ideal combo of work and play, boasting a 16-inch 165Hz display for stunning visuals and advanced Tempest cooling for smooth gaming sessions without overheating. And with its Ryzen 7000 series processor, you're getting both performance and endurance. If you're into gaming and studying on the go, this laptop's got your back. Now for your ears, the Beats Studio Buds Plus. At around $170, these earbuds are versatile, working seamlessly with both iOS and Android devices. Their sleek, transparent design isn't just eye-catching, it's user-friendly, fitting comfortably, and easy to handle. Noise cancellation, voice assistant access, top-notch audio, and solid battery life complete the package. If you're looking for style, performance, and convenience, the Beats Studio Buds Plus is a solid choice. Drop us a comment below. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more enlightening content. May these innovations inspire your journey of exploration and curiosity. Until next time.